Today, I'm diving into a topic that's super close to my heart, keeping our bones and joints healthy as we age. We all know that time waits for no one, but that doesn't mean we have to give up on feeling strong and mobile. So let's uncover some truths about our bones and joints, and how we can maintain their health for years to come. First off, let's talk about how aging affects our bones and joints. As we age, our bone density naturally decreases. This can lead to conditions like osteoporosis, which makes bones fragile and more prone to fractures. Our joints aren't spared either. They can stiffen, lose flexibility, and become more susceptible to arthritis. But don't worry, there are ways to combat these changes. One of the best things you can do for your bones is to ensure you're getting enough calcium and vitamin D. Calcium is crucial for maintaining bone strength, while vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium more effectively. Dairy products, leafy green vegetables, and fortified foods are great sources of calcium. And for vitamin D, spending some time in the sunlight, eating fatty fish, or taking a supplement can help. Now let's get moving. Regular exercise is fantastic for both bone and joint health. Weight-bearing exercises like walking, jogging, and dancing can help maintain bone density. For your joints, consider low-impact activities like swimming, cycling, or yoga. These exercises can help keep your joints flexible and reduce stiffness. Preventing osteoporosis and managing arthritis is also about adopting some simple lifestyle habits. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol, as they can weaken your bones. Staying at a healthy weight can also reduce the strain on your joints. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Water helps keep the cartilage in your joints lubricated. If you're already dealing with joint pain, there are natural ways to manage it. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet like fatty fish, nuts, and leafy greens can help. Supplements like glucosamine and chondroitin can also support joint health, but always consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement. And here's a little secret. Maintaining a positive mindset is just as important as any physical habit. Stress can exacerbate joint pain, so find ways to relax and enjoy life. Whether it's through meditation, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones, keeping a positive outlook can make a big difference. So remember, aging doesn't have to mean giving up on your mobility and strength. With the right nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle habits, you can keep your bones and joints healthy for the long haul.